Before a shipment leaves the factory, experienced buyers have usually verified much more than just the product itself. They confirm whether the supplier can provide valid certifications, documented compliance, and clear production records when requested. Reliable manufacturers should also respond promptly to compliance questions and provide transparent documentation throughout the sourcing process. Factory visits, production capabilities, and previous export experience all provide additional confidence before moving forward. Customer feedback and verified business reviews can also help buyers better understand a supplier's reliability before placing an order. The more evidence a supplier can provide, the easier it becomes to build long-term trust. If you'd like to learn more about HAPLAST certifications and manufacturing capabilities, our team is here to help. Start with the evidence. Contact HAPLAST to learn more.